Hello friends, good morning everyone. Friends, I came to my field side, my mother's field side. See friends, I am getting the one neem stick for the brush the teeth. See friends, this one. See friends, this is I will use for brush. You know friends, everyone in the countryside all are using this one, this neem stick for the brushing. You know what is the use of this neem stick means this give the completely, you know, the which is the neem tree, the neem branches and leaves and flowers and fruit, all are the useful to us for the different ways. You know, completely this all are the medicinal plant, this one tree. You know friends, that is why I am taking this one for the brushing. You know, whenever I come to my mother home, my village, that time compulsory I use this one for the brushing to teeth. This is the special friends. Actually when we brush with the neem stick, this completely which are the vocal our vocal inside the bacteria, all this
curing, improving the strength, strengthening
yes,
the
completely improving the strength
of the teeth,
yes. This is the special friends.
fungus, any bad.
See friends, I am took one stick, neem stick, and I am
peeling
the
bark.
This is the bark, which is the stick on side. This one is we called bark. I am peeling.
Actually we have to peel that by the
yes,
side, ma'am. Like that. Okay.
Like, you know, this one shape come after like this.
Then after I will be.
Yes, you know, this is very bitter. This when we are brushing with the neem stick, this give the taste bitter.
You are chewing that one.
Right now I am chewing. After I am brushing this one, like.
You mean this is a bitter one?
Yes.
But that bitter one give the medicinal qualities, you know, immunity power, vocal cleaning.
Yes.
And
this
strengthening the
teeth
also.
Yes, which are the vocal bacteria also, that one kill with the this bitterness. This is the special to special of the neem tree. That is why wherever you go to countryside, village side, you should maintain this one monthly once or weekly once. That is better to our
nowadays the public and civic body are using the different calcium substance pastes and brushes with the plastic, such type of only for clean but not to strengthening the teeth. You know, this is the inside of the muzzle also.
See friends, I will give to my babies also.